I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you're definitely interested in making money online. Am I right? That's probably 100% of you watching this video. Now, a certain percentage of you guys are actually interested in building an online business online. There's definitely a difference. Recently, in the poll in my community tab, I asked you guys, what are you most interested between profitable side hustles, I forget what else, and you guys voted online business. And so my specialty, one thing that I am extremely good at is online business. I would consider myself an online business expert, and I'm really good at helping people, beginner content creators and newpreneurs, early stage entrepreneurs, build an online business by leveraging what you're watching right now, and that is YouTube. That's right. So today we're gonna talk about all the ways you could be making your first $1,000, your first $150 per day consecutively, your first $10,000, whatever it is you want, leveraging this platform right here, and how you could become a successful BizTuber, as we call them, okay? So this is a YouTube entrepreneur. This is not just becoming a YouTuber, right? This means much more than that. Nowadays, if you look at the stats, according to a recent study by SignalFire, there are approximately 12 million YouTubers on this earth. And so basically what the study is saying is that the largest and fastest small business type are content creators. So 50 million people around the world consider themselves content creators, and 12 million of those creators are YouTubers. And so only a certain percentage of those 12 million YouTubers, 1 million of them to be exact, are considered professional. So meaning they make at least 6 figures from their channel or more, and they're able to go full time. Full time meaning you are able to be a BizTuber, a content creator, a YouTube entrepreneur who can fully, pay your bills, pay your rent, have all your expenses covered, and also profit from this business. So if you're down to become a BizTuber, I want you to comment BizTuber in the comments, and let's get started. And so the website, thetilt.com, took it just a tad bit further and investigated which monetization strategies are these professional content creators making money from. And although neither one of them was overwhelmingly powerful, it did show that the top 3 monetization strategies were online courses, advertising, aka AdSense, and the third one was affiliate marketing, a topic that you guys absolutely love and always want me to dive deeper into. So we're gonna talk about those top 3 monetization strategies today, what they involve, and really how you can start monetizing from day 1 with 2 of them, meaning the courses and affiliate marketing with your YouTube channel. And so before we dive in, I have an extremely special announcement. Our Subscribers to Sales membership program is now open. The doors are open, and if you haven't seen any of the announcements and don't know what I'm talking about, here's what it is. So this program is geared for new entrepreneurs, new content creators who really want to build an online business with high income and high impact that lasts. If you fall into that category, then you're one of those. It breaks down how to build an online business by leveraging the YouTube platform. And once you launch it, it's monetized right away. And so the doors are open right now. You can find out all the information you want to by clicking the first link in the description or going to marissaromero.com/masterclass. So in this masterclass, you'll learn a ton of stuff. You'll learn things like the top 3 mistakes new entrepreneurs and YouTubers are making. You're gonna learn my 4-step profitable framework for turning your subscribers to sales. And at the end of the class, I'll break down all of the information about the Subscribers to Sales program and how you can get direct mentorship from me. Now, this doesn't happen all the time. As a matter of fact, this is the first time I'm opening enrollment this year, and it will be over by the new year. So don't wait. Hop in because there's some insane bonuses in there. The curriculum is brand new. It's something that I've been working on the past 12 months. And for those of you that take action quickly, I have a fast action bonus. This is actually expiring within the next 36 hours, so hop in it quick. But basically on January 8th, 2022, I will be walking you through and you will go through a goal and profit planning workshop with me, Marissa Romero. So you'll come join me live in this class and we'll break down how to get a clear path for 2022 and actually achieve the goals that you want to in the new year. And so something very special that you'll learn all about when you watch the masterclass down below is that this curriculum is the only time I'll be doing a do it with you approach. So we'll be going through the curriculum together. So I'm going to release the content week by week at a time so that you don't feel overwhelmed and alone. And as opposed to when you buy a course and you open it and there's like 100 videos, you're like, oh crap, like this is a lot. So it's do it with you. There's a community where you'll have access to me and my team. And so this is definitely for you if you're finally looking for a solid way to build an income generating machine in a sustainable business online where you can have a huge impact. So if that sounds good to you, don't wait and grab those exclusive bonuses, including that profit planning and goal planning workshop. Just click the first link in the description to learn more, and I'll see you inside that class, and hopefully we'll see you inside the program where I will welcome you personally. All right, so the first monetization strategy that we mentioned, where the study showed that it is the #1 monetization strategy that content or professional content creators, biz tubers are making money with, is online courses. So this could be in the category of an online digital course. It could be a membership community. It could be a digital product that's kind of like an info product, like a tiny offer. So it all falls into that same arena, okay? And so these products are super cool because this is an income stream which is completely automated. And so these are recurring revenues. These are automated profits. Everyone jumps down my throat when I talk about passive income. They're like, Marissa, no such thing as passive income. And I'm like, okay, I beg to differ, but whatever. Yes, passive income, automated revenue does take an upfront effort. And I always talk about that. It always takes an upfront effort of either money or time. Yes, so you gotta invest one of the two. And you will have to, with everything, with this YouTube channel, with an online business, with these income streams that you're wanting to make recurring or passive or automated, whatever you wanna call it, it's gonna take some work. However, online courses, you don't have to launch a course that's huge. Okay, you don't have to have a course that's 100 videos long, that's over 8 hours of curriculum. Start small. What I recommend is first creating an offer that's a pocket size offer or a tiny offer where you create something that is a quick win for your audience. So maybe you create a product that is a mini workshop. Maybe it's like a 4-video module. Maybe you create something, if you're in the fitness niche, that is a week or 2 long, and it helps your audience solve one problem. And I'm just talking about one problem. I'm not talking about giving them an entire transformation. No, this is just helping them solve a quick problem. So for example, if you're in the dog training niche and there's millions of dog owners out there and they're tired of their damn dog yapping, and you create a small offer and pocket product that can help them quit the barking. You can say like, hey, you know what, is your dog misbehaving and barking 24/7? You know, buy this book, buy this quick tutorial, and it'll help give you some tips and tricks that'll help your dog stay more quiet, calm down, and finally stop barking when you're cooking dinner and doing things. The point is, you can really get creative with your first digital product. And nowadays, it's really easy to start on a platform that's absolutely free. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need the most expensive online business or all-in-one business tool out there. You can start with several tools that are free, or maybe even $10 a month to get started. And so creating online courses is something we definitely touch on in the new Subscribers to Sales program. And so definitely click the link below to check out the training and the program in the description below. Okay, so talking about the second monetization strategy, we're talking about advertising money or Google AdSense. This could be Google AdSense, and let me clarify, this could be other advertising money, such as a brand or company paying you as the creator to create an advertisement for them. So this is the form in the case of YouTube, as it's in the form of a YouTube video where you make a promotional announcement. But in this case, we're mostly talking about Google AdSense. So with Google AdSense, we know that to qualify for the YouTube partnership program, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within the past 12 hours. 12 hours. 12 months. not 12 hours. So that's what you need to qualify for the program. Once that happens, your channel gets like a rating. It's not really a rating, it's a metric. It's called CPM. So it's the dollar amount and dollar value that you get paid per 1,000 views. So let's say your CPM is $17. You get paid $17 every time you earn 1,000 views on the channel. So with that being said, here's a snapshot of what 2021 looks like. $100,000 has been made with Google AdSense on this channel, Marissa Romero, and that may look fancy, that may look stunning. I'm wow, you know, 6 figures in Google AdSense. That was just that was something that I never thought was possible just a couple of years ago, and here I am, the channel producing these results. But if you look at the lifetime, of my channel, you will see a flat line of no revenue for a very long time. So it's about patience. It's about commitment. It's about patience and commitment when you're not making any money, when you're not making any results. And this is a part of my story where I started completely scared. I started completely from zero following, 0 email list, 0 audience, contrary to popular belief. People have commented before like, oh, well, look at, it's easy for now for you to say that you're making, you know, good money online. Look at the size of your YouTube channel. I'm like, okay, sir or ma'am, it hasn't been like this forever. I mean, you're looking at a girl, me, who was struggling. I mean, I had to start this YouTube channel. I had to start it because if not, I was going to be in big trouble. I mean, I was on the verge of going bankrupt. I was 100K in debt. Banks were closing down my accounts. It was so scary. I had no job. I had no income. I had a failed first business with e-commerce. It was do or die. But I was just like, you know what? I have to go hard on YouTube. I started my YouTube channel because I wanted to make money. And although I did everything wrong in the beginning, as far as video production, as far as not optimizing my videos the right way, as far as horrible thumbnail design, I didn't know what I was doing. However, there was one thing that I was doing right, and I was monetizing from day one. So I started right away to build my list, because that's one marketing skill that I did learn from my e-commerce business is your list comes first. Building up your email list is the most important thing. An email list make more than Google AdSense any day, any day. I've proven it in my business and in my company and several other biz tubers out there that know how to build and leverage an online business with the YouTube platform will do it too. They're making 10 times more money on the back end monetization, meaning their own products, meaning affiliate marketing, meaning coaching, consulting, than they are with AdSense. So all that to say that I love AdSense, but it should only be treated as the icing on the cake. Nothing else. It should not be a revenue stream or income stream that you are dependent on, because that's when it becomes dangerous, because you never know what could happen to your channel. You never know what could happen to the algorithm. You are not the owner of YouTube, nor Instagram, nor Facebook. Well, now it's what's it called? Meta? Is that an official name change? Meta? Meta 2021. But yes, you get the point. Okay, the third top monetization strategy for these professional YouTube content creators is affiliate marketing. I love it, I love it, I love it. And as a matter of fact, in the new Subscribers to Sales curriculum, I break down all affiliate marketing tutorials. So everyone's been saying, can you please teach? And the answer is yes. I can teach affiliate marketing. So in the new curriculum, I teach about affiliate marketing, and I break down the affiliate marketing secrets, which help me earn 10K months in commissions only after the 5th month of launching my channel, which wouldn't have been possible, by the way, if I wouldn't have started building that list. So I break down, how to select a profitable product, commission structure, good, bad. But basically, affiliate marketing is the best way to start monetizing your channel from the first video, from video one, from day one, because all you have to do is put your affiliate link in the description. Boom, you're monetized. There's so many people that think they have to wait till they get to a certain subscriber amount or to a certain view count in order to put things in the description. No, you're losing out on money, because this whole idea with YouTube is to make money from your views. That's the only way to make money from YouTube, is to make money from the views. Subscribers, contrary to popular belief, do not make you any money. They don't make, I mean, it's really cool. You get a silver play button once you hit 100,000 subscribers, which I'm so proud of. However, it doesn't make you money, right? It's the views that make you money. And the more quality content and the more value you're giving out there, the more money you will make. So with affiliate marketing, it's about relating your channel content to the affiliate products that you're promoting. So let's say you are doing a comparison video of 2 different types of tools, or let's say you're making a top whatever amount of certain products. So for example, top 5 travel backpacks. You're going to make a YouTube video reviewing the top 5 travel backpacks on there. It's a niche that's specific, it's a sub niche, and it's a niche that a lot of people are going to want, and a really great way to get your channel on the map fast, and also put your affiliate link to those backpacks in the description, because backpacks are the traveling ones. They're expensive. I mean, mine was, how much was it? $300, I think more than $300, but it's a solid backpack. And I did purchase it via somebody else's affiliate link, because this guy gave an awesome review of this backpack. I'm like, man, I gotta have it. Click, let me give you an affiliate commission. And so people, when you give value and demonstrate a review or a product or a comparison with affiliate marketing, they want to give you a commission. So that is how you can get started right away from day one with affiliate marketing. But I dive deeper, and to make even more money and be at the top of leaderboards with affiliate marketing, there's some advanced or even really just intermediate strategies that so many affiliates are not doing. And this is what it's going to take to level up your commissions with no extra effort to you. So remember, don't miss the opportunity to work with my team and I inside of the Subscribers to Sales program. Remember, brand new curriculum, new exclusive bonuses. If you sign up and enroll within the next 36 hours, you'll get the goal and profit planning workshop with me to kick off the new year in 2022. Go ahead and check out the masterclass, which talks all about turning your subscribers to sales, and learn more about the program. I'll see you inside the masterclass.